Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss the purpose of two Excel functions max and min mentioned in the exercise question number 5 part number 3. Answer is on page number 58 and 59. First we will discuss max function on page number 58. Max means maximum. The max function returns the largest value from a supplied set of numerical values. Or we can say that max function finds the maximum value in a given set of numerical values. Its general form is max function. In the argument we have number 1, number 2 and so on. These numbers number 1, number 2 and so on actually are numerical values from which max function returns the maximum value or largest value. In place of these numbers or numerical values, we can also use cell references or a cell range. For example, the function max a1 to e1, this is a cell range, returns the largest value in the range a1 to e1. Here in the figure we can see that data values or numerical values are in cells a1 to e1, and in cell B3 maximum is calculated using this formula of max with the cell range a1 to e1. Next we will discuss min function on page number 58. Min means minimum. The Excel min function returns the smallest value from a supplied set of numerical values, or we can say that min function gives the minimum value from a given set of numerical values. The general form of this function is min, number 1, number 2 and so on. These numbers number 1, number 2 are the data values or numerical values from which the min function returns the minimum or smallest value. In place of numerical values or data values, we can also use cell references or cell range. For example, the function min a1 to e1, this is a cell range. This min function will return the minimum value in the range a1 to e1. In this figure, we can see that data values or numerical values are in the cells A1 to E1, and in the cell B3 minimum is calculated.